Apple has just taken the wraps off their brand new 2018 iPad Pros, which now come in 11 and 12.9-inch sizes. AppleInsider has had a little bit of time here to play around with them and test them out. We're going to go hands-on with those new iPads, the updated second generation Apple Pencil, and the upgraded third generation Smart Keyboard. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and it was an eventful day. Apple gathered the press together in New York at the Brooklyn Academy of Music to announce a wide variety of new products, including a Mac Mini, an updated MacBook Air, and of course the iPad Pros. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. This is the brand new iPad Pro. This is the first major iPad redesign in a number of years. Had a ton of improvements, but most notably the whole new body design. Obviously it has those new squared off edges, the display itself is rounded in the corners, the smart connector has been moved, it ditches Touch ID for Face ID and gets rid of the home button. You can touch to wake the display. If you happen to be holding it sideways, because this works in any orientation, the display is actually able to let you know that the camera was covered up. You see a little notification on the top that the camera is covered by your hand, so you can remove it before you can unlock your iPad. To go with the new iPad Pros, there's an updated Apple Pencil. Fixes a lot of the problems with the original one, including a new seamless body, magnetically attaches to the iPad, can wirelessly charge from the iPad itself, no longer needing to plug in over Lightning. It also gets rid of the cap that was on the end that constantly was being lost. The new Apple Pencil only works with the new iPad, and the older Apple Pencil, which is still available, only works on the older iPad Pros, so that's an important distinction. The new iPad Pros also work over USB-C. You can actually use that USB-C to charge your iPhone or your Apple Watch. You can plug things in directly, such as a camera, and you can throw things up onto a 5K display. It still only mirrors your iPad up on that display, so no dual display workflows, but in certain situations it does take better advantage of that display, such as when you're playing back a video. As far as internals go, these things are extremely beefed up. The new A12X Bionic chip has Apple's new neural engine baked in there and the M12 coprocessor. What that amounts to in actual performance is a huge gain in the graphics prowess. We saw this on stage as Adobe demoed the full version of Photoshop, running a ridiculously large image with over 100 layers, and it was able to move in and out of that image extremely smooth. They could also use the new Apple Pencil and the new gestures. By double tapping the side of the pencil, they could zoom in incredibly close to the eye of a bird in this image, and then double tap again to zoom all the way back out. This gesture is incredibly cool, and not only does it work, but it can be customized based on the app that you're using it in. So we're going to see a lot of functionality from this from creatives. Overall, the new iPad Pros are a significant leap forward. All new design, bigger edge-to-edge displays, reduced bezels, Face ID instead of Touch ID, and so much more. Stay tuned because we're going to be going hands-on with these things as soon as possible, and we'll let you know what we think. If you want to pick one up, you can find the link for them below down in the description.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.